Hey everybody, J Jasmine here today and welcome to my channel. So today's video is another power hour and it is hosted by myself and it is in collaboration with some other wonderful ladies here on YouTube. So be sure to check out the playlist once you are finished watching my video. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So in today's power hour, I am going to be working on my medicine cabinet. I have needed to redo that for quite some time. I keep putting off the project and it is a project that I just need to take care of because I am tired of looking at it, people. It is in just so much disarray. It is a different color from the rest of my bathroom and that really bothers me. And so I am going to be painting that white, probably spray painting some portions of it, as well as painting it with some paint, cleaning out the system of course too, because it just don't look right. It needs to be clean.
You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing, like nobody is watching us, like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost. Far from rules, how to feel it. We know that fast isn't always the best. Sometimes your turns makes me dizzy, but with you I don't need the contest. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step Finally don't get no fuss. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment.
Well, everybody, that completes my power hour for the most part. I got some things not totally done, but at least started. I did get an opportunity to water some of my plants. They have been needing water, and I think I may have to check a few more, but I didn't have time to do that. The cabinet, I will show you guys pictures of that after the fact. I haven't, or I should say, the cabinet door hasn't completely dried yet. Once it dries, then I will reassemble or reattach it, I should say, to the cabinet itself. And then I will need to eventually paint around the outside of the cabinet case. Be sure to check out the playlist because I will list that in the description box below. And I will see you guys in the next one.